welcome to Teacher Tutorial Tips, and in today's episode I will be showing you how to convert a JPEG from its picture to GIF, PNG and many more. So let's get started. Welcome back guys. Now you may be thinking that you need a software to do that, but I will give you 100% assurance that you don't need any software to do that. The software I'm going to use is called Paint. Paint always comes with any Windows installed in your computer. So now to cut this story short, I'm going to show you how to do that. Now you have to bring out the image you wanna change. Okay, this is my image. Then you click on it, right click, and click on open with to bring out these windows, and you click on paint. You can resize it and add anything you need. Style, let me add style. Okay, this color. Okay. You can see now I want to convert it to JPEG, PNG and then more. So you click on File, then Save as PNG. It's JPEG already, and I want to convert it to PNG first. Then you click on PNG. Then you type in the name you want to start saving. The name. Okay. Now minimize it. Now you can see PNG file, dimension 214 by 199, and the size is 22.3 kilobyte. And you open it. Okay, this is it in PNG file. Okay, also I'm already showing you. I'm going to show you. You can save it as GIF. And you type in team. Okay, let me say this a team. This also in GIF file, click modify dimensions, size. Okay, if you want to know how to reduce a image size, there's a video in my channel, then you watch it. It's going to be showing you how to reduce the size of the image with Paint. Okay, my next video should be how to convert a Microsoft Word document to PDF format. So thanks for watching.
Subscribe, like, comment and don't forget to share.